Before we start assembling, let's orient our parts the right way. We have currently our front piece oriented correctly, and the roof piece is at an angle, so we won't worry about that. But we can orient our back piece, our bottom piece, and our two side pieces so that they will be facing the proper direction later on in our assembly. To do that is relatively simple. We can click on a part, and if we want to rotate something, then we can click on this dot and dash system, click and drag, and this will rotate something about this will rotate our part around an axis. Okay, it automatically goes to certain degree increments. If you get lost and leave it there, then you can Control Z back to where it was. Once again, click on it, and we're going to rotate this 90 degrees. When we click out of that, we can move on to our next piece. Let's do our bottom piece. And after we click on that, we are going to go to this far, so along the Z-axis, we're going to go to this far rotation feature, and we're going to rotate it so that it lays flat. We are only going to move things 90 degrees, so you can click drag and then just go 90 degrees, and then that makes things nice and perfect. If you want to click out of things, just make sure you hit the escape key. Now for the side pieces, we are going to do them both the same way. So let's see if we can do them both at the same time. I clicked on both the side pieces, and I didn't have to hold the shift key or the control key or anything. I could just click once and then click again on the side piece. And then let's go and rotate about our y-axis. Now both these won't rotate independently, but as a unit they will rotate about a central axis of the first piece that you clicked. And that works just fine for what we need. And then we can move our pieces around, and this is the orientation that we need all of our pieces, except for the roof. The roof is just kind of difficult to, we're talking about 30-degree increments instead of 90 degrees. So now that we have everything imported, inserted into our assembly, and oriented the way that we want, let's move on to assembling.